what's up, besties? So today I got something special for you. I am collaborating with Just Joia, and we're actually doing something a little different. Okay, so we decided to purchase kits for each other and send them, and it's like gonna be a surprise kit. We don't know what's inside, so we just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. No, seriously, I really do wonder who it's from. I don't know who it's from. So I'm really excited about opening this up and getting to planning. So let's go ahead and open up the package and get started with the plan. All right, so here is our package. Let's go ahead and get it all. I should have already had it like kind of open, but little ASMR for you guys. Okay, I'm really excited because I love watching Just Joia. If you guys have not watched her channel, super great, and she is awesome. She's a full-time nurse and still finds time to make amazing planner content. All right, so this is my gift. Okay. Oh my goodness, what is this kit called? Okay, she got me self-made. What in the world? Like, there's so much in here. Hey Michelle, hope you like the stickers and extra goodies, and thank you for including me in a collab with Joia. Oh, Amber. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at this stuff. It's so cute. Oh, let's just open it up. Let us open it up. Let's open it up. Oh, I love goodies. Oh, I forgot how happy meal makes me. Like, seriously. I've been like on a planner, not a planner funk, but like I just hadn't been doing. Oh, that's y'all trifling. Okay, I just hadn't been ordering as much, but this is so cute, and it's a paper clip. Okay, so this is from Pink Kimono. Okay, and look at this, PinkimonoPapers.com. This is so stinking cute. And look at her with her wine glass and pink hair. Y'all know I love you some pink hair now. You better come on. With the little wine glass over there. Okay. And then we got the teacup. All of these are paper clips, y'all. Like, how cute is that? This is like extra zhuzh. She didn't even know I needed zhuzh for my planner. Like for my little planner cover. But now I got zhuzh, y'all. I got zhuzh. And I'm finna put it to use. Okay. Then we have this Stay Well sticker set. This is so cute. Oh, stay home. Stay well. I did read it right, y'all. I'm looking like I can't read. Okay, and this is the Stay Well sticker kit. This is so cute. Ooh, I want to just peel. Look at that. That's so cute. It's like one big old sticker. Oh, and it's kiss cut. Do y'all see that? Roll the beautiful bean footage. It's super kiss cut. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. Okay. And then this is the Fashionably Wow. Now this lets me know somebody know me, okay? Because y'all know I think I'm the Tiger Queen. Y'all see this nail right here? Come on, somebody. You better ask somebody. Okay. This is so super cute. This is a double box. Here for it. Here for the double box. Come on. Look at this print. This is so pretty. Then you have your full checklist boxes. I think this is an extra strip of like washi over here on the side. Do y'all see that? There's these are flags. I'm sitting over here thinking it's washi. Child, she done added little flags. She don't let no space go to waste. And I'm here for it. I love a good kit like that. And then we have our boxes. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. Share something good all week long. I need those. Y'all know I need those. That is so cool. Okay, then we got the Today Important Shopping Water. All of these. Oh, look at the icons. They're so cute. All right, then we got the washi, which is the big leaf. Y'all know I like a big wave. Okay. And then this weekend sticker is so cute. I can already tell. So it's very kiss cut. And I love that a lot. And then your date covers. And then we got some deco. Okay, you better come on, deco. You better be decked out. All right. And then we have, ooh, her doll is cute. That's a cute little doll. Goals to reach. So I have several of those. And these are the Boss Bae checklist and to-dos. Then we have, oh, things to slay. This is cute. Okay. I'm here for it. Oh, and then appointments. Look at these appointment stickers. These are adorable. I love, and I live. And then these are the work. You better work. You better work. It look like an iPad. Y'all know I've been working on my iPad here lately. A whole lot of. I'm here for it. Okay, then let's see what. Oh, this is something different. And then this one is the Adorably Wow. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Okay, Adorably Wow. Here are our full boxes. And then we have, of course, a double box here as well. And then we have our checklist boxes here for that. And then we have our boxes. I love the little flags on the boxes already. That makes me happy inside. And then we have our littles and our little icons, our bills due. And then, oh, she cute. She cute. Glitter. Oh. And then look at this deco. Tiger Queen is saying hello. I don't even know where that came from, but if I could be the Tiger Queen, I would be the Tiger Queen, okay? Hello to everybody but Carol Baskins. Okay, I'm here for this. This is going, I am going to, okay, if I do, oh, how do I pick? How do I pick, guys? A or B? A or B? A or B? Let's take a short break and we'll see which one we pick. Alright, so before we go any further, I hope you guys have already clicked the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Now, I've decided to go with this one, Fashionably Wild, because I use a lot of pinks in most of my spreads anyway, so I'm gonna step outside my box a little bit and go with these colors, these more neutral. I'm just so excited about this kit. All right, so let's go ahead and get on down. I'm so excited. Like, thank you so much to both of you guys, to Joia and to Amber, for sending me some extra goodies. Yeah, you guys make sure you go shop with her. I'll have a link linked down below so you guys can get in on the goodness. Okay, so this is where these would go over here to like enhance your planner if you wanted to. I mean, you could definitely use them like inside your planner to stick up, but for me, what I like this is what I like. I like to stick things like right here, and then I can put this one just kind of sticking out, ooh, like over here. Oh, like the coffee is finna spill out. Look, I could put her over here. I could put her on the kitchen, I could put her on the chair, put her over here, I could put her over there. Oh, I can give you anything you can handle. Okay, sorry, that's a little old school for you new school kind of people. Look at that, already zhushed her up real quick. I want to make sure this don't spill over. Not spill over. Make sure I can still close it over and it be okay without bending it. But that's where I want my coffee cup, I think. I think I want my coffee cup to be right there. I really do. I really kind of liked it, like kind of falling out. But maybe it should be pouring out this way, where you could see the whole thing. You know, oh, this is just gonna be a thing, and I'm not finna do this with you, Michelle, the whole night, worried about this doggone coffee cup sticking out of there. Okay, all right. So we're gonna go ahead into our Erin Condren planner inside of my Notique. Of course, if you guys haven't already copped this, you need to go get you one. Enhance your planner life, baby. Step it up. Okay, now you got the planner cover you've been wanting all your life. You didn't even know you needed it. Okay, let's get into the dates. Hopefully I get to the right planning date, because you know that's the whole entire thing. This is my spread from this past week, and here is my new spread. Now I actually don't have very much planned, so that's a whole thing, but we're gonna go with it. And hopefully, you know what, I do have some washi that I can use that I had out, that will kind of match. You know what I don't have is like a green like that washi. I don't think I have a green like that. I think I got a green like this and not like that. But we're gonna make this work. So I have these two washis that I had already pulled out for something else and decided not to use them. So let's go ahead and get us started. I'm sorry I'm like annoying y'all to your core. Maybe I'll speed it up, maybe I won't. Maybe she will. She will. Okay, sorry. Alright, so let's go ahead and speed this thing up, okay? Because, yeah, your girl was kind of like talking the whole time. And I realized that video would have been at least an hour long because I was really talking and laughing, having a good time. But for, you know, video purposes, that was not a good idea. Anywho, so now we have put down our bottom washi, and I added some Simply Gilded, of course. Not really sure why I cut that off. I think I cut it off because I wanted it to line up with the lines, but didn't realize that the washi extended a little bit further too. And it looks like I didn't go back and cut that off, so yep, a little lopsided over there. That's all right. So we're going back in with more of our Tombow whiteout on the other side, and I decided to put down the middle strip first instead of waiting for the Simply Gilded to go on top. Yeah, that was just a whole thing. And if you guys hear any extra noise, it's because I am at home and I am in my room, but no one cares. So you may hear extra background noises. Everyone is here and everyone's doing their thing. Okay, I just thought I'd let you guys know. See, look, my best friend is here too. She's listening to me. She's sitting here. And my mommy's having a full conversation with probably Bubba Bear or Mighty. Not really sure. But yeah, so this is very interesting for me to do here. All right, so we have put down our date covers and all of that. And if you're wondering, I came home because I just needed to get to my mommy and my daddy. Yeah, I was like being a whole total brat, and I just needed to get home. And I'm happy that I did. And I actually got a chance to see my two best friends, and my life feels so good now. I think sometimes you just need to get home, and you need to be rooted in that feeling that you had when you go home. You feel safe and secure, and I can kind of think better and think clearer and all of that stuff. So I decided to put that little purse sticker over in the corner because I thought that would be super cute. So it seems super cute to me. I don't know, maybe not. And then I'm just laying down some more of the littles over there on the sidebar. I thought I would like actually decorate it, and then I had this bright idea to stick the overlays over the words. Y'all, you can't even see what the words say, but it looks so cute when you do a viv wiggle, but absolutely makes no sense for trying to read the words. So yeah, that's a whole thing. We'll not be doing that again at all. So there's my mommy. Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting ready. I'm gonna run over here to Kroger's and take that what's name back, and I'll be back.
Okay.
But, I might move the car. I'm gonna take the onboard.
Okay. My keys are up there.
You on the table? Okay. I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay. Yes, so as you guys can hear, I'm clearly at home. So, back to this. So, we are putting down, we put down that full box over there in the corner. That's what you guys missed me doing while you guys were hearing my whole conversation with my mommy. We put the full box down in the weekend sticker over there because I thought that was cute. And then now we're just going in with our Monday plans and trying to see what we got going on. Okay. And I'm really excited about Monday because that's actually when this video is going to post. But then also when I am going to be doing a live video with Asanta's daughters and the director of the group. Oh, it's early in the morning, y'all. Please forgive me. This thing is so fumbled. I fumbled the phone. I feel like that should be right there. Okay. So yeah, I'm supposed to be doing a live video with her. I gotta make sure and check in and see if everything is still a go because I want to donate that money to her as soon as possible and get that off of my books, honey child. Okay. I want y'all to know I did what I said I was gonna do with that coin, and that's what we doing. So if you guys didn't know, this was like one of my favorite designs thus far because I absolutely love these big old leaves. I'm not sure what these leaves are called, but they're really nice. They're like palm leaves. I don't know. I need to figure out what type of leaves these are, but I love that design with the leopard. It's just been my whole thing. You guys saw I added those leaves to the back of my like my background and stuff because I just thought it was so cute. Maybe I'm like a tropical girl in secret. Maybe that's who I am. Maybe that's my spirit. And wait, a plant can't be a spirit animal, can it? No. Okay, so here we are, trying to figure out why I was just going to say that plant was my spirit
animal. But anyways, moving on back to the spread, my battery did cut out. Well, actually not my battery, my SD card cut out at some point in time, and so I had to get a different SD card. And I think sometimes different SD cards change the quality of the video or the picture. So I'm trying to see if my theory is correct, and maybe I will ask Raymond about that. That's my dad. I really call him my dad though, but when I'm talking business, I like to refer to him as Raymond, because he know what he be talking about. And now I'm putting down this cute little bikini sticker because I mean really because I wanted to. Why else would you put down a bikini sticker in the middle of Thursday when you're in Indiana and there's no beaches? So yes, that is why I put it down, because I wanted to. And now I'm just going in and just adding more of that little deco up there, and trying to see what else I can add to kind of fill my spread up. I don't know how people do this when they're like traveling and stuff, because baby, I was so confused. I'm like, I don't plan on doing anything. I don't want to do anything. I want to come home, I want to be with my parents, help them around the house, and that's it. Like, I don't want no plans out here in these streets. But yep, here we are trying to create some plans and make some things out. But I think it's good to try to like do something once a day. Like with where I'm at in my life right now, I need to make sure I keep up some kind of regimen or routine or whatever. But I don't know, I think going out of town was probably not a good thing. And you guys see those arrows in the box? Like, that is so awesome. It just looks so cute over there. Like, I really tried my hardest, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, so back to, this is a collab with Joia. I think I already said that a couple times. I hope you guys go and check out her channel, because you're going to love her channel. You're going to love her spreads and everything that she brings to the table. She's funny. She has some character. And, I mean, she watches me, so you guys know she got to, you know, be semi-crazy to be following me and all that stuff. So I think that's funny. But I wanted to kind of showcase some people that you guys may have not heard of before, and you know, bring it to the forefront. Do my job to share other people, because sharing is caring. So I want to do this more. So if you guys are, you know, interested, make sure you reach out, because I don't be knowing what I don't be knowing. That's the thing. I don't be knowing what I don't be knowing. I don't know if that should be my next rap line. Maybe I'll make that a song, possibly. But yeah, this is the spread, and I'm gonna quit talking because yeah, you guys can see it all up and through here. And I used some of my stickers. I went ahead and wrote everything down, and yeah, that was a quick flip. Who they want? Flip. Okay, that's enough. Okay, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Whenever you're watching this, make sure you go over to Joia's channel and check it out. I'll have links down below so you guys can go watch her channel. Right now, enjoy this aesthetic.